Hey everyone, I'm Super Flashlight, and welcome back to another episode of Super Flashlight's React Saturday. Today, and this week, you will hear me react to NS maintenance trucks. I better react to them right now.
Okay, so this is the NS Crewe. That's the NS.
Okay, so this is my first NS maintenance truck, as well as Roby's Road and Huguenot Road Railroad crossing. I mean, look at them. Look at the signals, and look at the old NS Norfolk District line. I mean, wait a minute. That's the Richmond District line. That's where NS-V08 runs on. Okay, here I go. There I go. Across the tracks I go. I remember this from fall 2017. It's really amazing, but it's cool. Wait till you'll see the next episode coming up right now. Alright, so that's the NS maintenance truck. My first one in Annville, Pennsylvania. From December. Ooh, and that one's from December, although there's no music. I think that's either from January or December. That one's from April 2018. Driving onto the road. Here you go. After you, say hi. Oh.
To see it, my dad said it was a semi truck.
Hey, you can hear my friend talking in the background with another NS maintenance truck coming this way. Wow, look at the clouds in the sky.
A lot of damage on that. And I saw that same engine in Enola with the windows.
I know, but we're not supposed to be standing close. You know, I'm gonna miss you, stop signs. But you yield signs will be better. Nice honk. That's better. That's from same month. Of course, that's from August. There it goes. After the trains, I got a maintenance truck before I left. Hey, I got another one the next morning. This one's heading east. Wow. I like maintenance trucks, but I think Heritage Unions are better. Look. Look at the maintenance truck. It's on the bridge in Richmond, Virginia, on the Powhite Highway. Although I was filming it from the back. I was just trying to get a video of it. Hey, I remember this from November. I think that one was from October and November. I don't think it was from September. But look. Look. It's 19G, and there's a maintenance truck. Did you hear that? It was a horn. Okay, so there's 19G. 19G with the engine honking its horn. And so does the maintenance truck driver. Hello. Nice to meet you. I mean, see you. Nice to see you with a nice friendly honk. And here comes 19G coming this way. I should have left after this, but hey, look, it's another one heading east in the rain from December. The one in front of 19G was taken from November. Wow, look at all the rain. Look at it raining. Even with the puddles and the reflection, it's going to have its windshield wipers on, and it just did. Nice one. That's the last one, 2018. Now for the ones for 2019. Ah, man, look at all that rain and clouds. Alright, so this one's pretty cool. It's raining or snowing, but look. It's a maintenance truck driving on the highway. Hello! Wow, you must be going to Crewe. I think that was from January, February, or March. Hello, that's nice. There it is. I got the front of it. And this one, of course, was taken from Crewe. Look at that one. That one's taken from Crewe. Did you see that? That one was taken from Crewe. March 2019. It looks like he's talking to someone. That's interesting. Look at all those clouds. Pretty cool, eh? Okay, okay. Once again, look what I see. It's 2019. It's, okay, this is the same month, and there it is. But it looks more like a pickup truck, not a maintenance truck. Do you guys... I think that's more of a pickup truck, but I like to call it a maintenance truck because of the NS logo painted on it. Okay, next one. Of course, April 2019. Before I have to stand back because, you know, that's against rail fanning safety rules, I just wanted to get this maintenance truck, which is in the distance in Annville. Now wait till you'll see it. There it is, there it is. Sorry. Okay. Oh. Get ready to see it drive onto the road. There it is. Driving onto the road. What's up, Mr. Maintenance Truck? What do you want to do this morning? Wait, it's the afternoon. Okay, next one. It's a maintenance truck. Look at it. There's the title. Nice horn honk. It's a cloudy day to catch a Westbound. Okay. You're gonna give me a nice horn honk. Yours sound like an actual truck horn, but yours is kind of funny when you honk. Yeah. I get it. Okay. I want to see some more. Come on. Okay, can I see some more, please? This is so great. I think this was later in April, or May, or June. It's another maintenance truck on 288 Powhite Parkway and Hall Street Road, Virginia. I mean, Midlothian, Virginia. Look at it. There it is, and then there's the toll booth. Okay, here we are on 288. Now for Hall Street Road. Ta-da! There it is. Driving on Hall Street Road. That's amazing. Okay, I want to see some more before I can end this episode. There it is, driving. Look at that. It's another one driving in Crewe from July. Driving on the road in Crewe, PA. I love using white in the title because they're white. They're always going to be white no matter what color they are. Okay, it drives this way. Get ready. Now it's driving the other way. The other way. Sorry. Okay. Next one. There's two in Crewe. I think this was before. I think it was before or after I caught the interstate on 823. This is just amazing. Okay, you're all driving. Look at you guys go. Driving down the road you go. See you later, maintenance truck. See you next time. Here's the high rail truck, which is indeed another name. This is from August. Man, look at it driving right alongside the tracks. Hi, how you doing? You're too busy to wave. Okay. I can't believe I caught Conrail and BNSF. This made my trip so awesome. GMTX and Erie. Erie as well. Nice and cloudy. Of course, I got one in Burkeville. Hey you. You're in Burkeville. know where you are. I can see the Virginian in the reflection. Hey look, it's a maintenance truck. Hey you! The Virginian's on 29G parked in Burkeville. Isn't that nice? It is? Yes it is. Look at you go. Okay, this is just so much fun. And this one I caught last month, in October 2020. This was before I caught the interstate heading east on 236. 236. There it goes. The maintenance truck. Sorry about the repeat. Okay. I can see you, maintenance truck. You're awesome. Totally awesome. I'm so happy that I finally caught an eastbound heritage that is fully seen. A proper eastbound heritage. Well, that's it. I'm out. You know, those maintenance trucks are really cool and amazing. They're also known as high rail trucks. Well, I did get to see one this year in October. It was pretty fun. It doesn't matter if they drive on the road, or if they're parked, or if they're riding on the rails. It doesn't matter. So, before I leave, I want to set a reminder to you guys. Like and subscribe. Bye. And I'll see you guys next week with a smile. Like this. Bye-bye. See you next week. So long.